Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karaski Orchid School. Dear students, we have started new lesson, that is money. In that lesson, we have seen 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then we have seen how to do the conversion of rupees and paise. Then afterwards we have seen the addition and subtraction of money. Now today we are going to see the exercise 3.4. So open your textbook and keep in front of you. Story sums. See the first example. I took rupees 170 to the shop and bought a book for rupees 113.50. How much money is left with him? Okay, see what is the question. I took rupees 170 to the shop and bought a book for rupees 113.50. How much money is left with me? Okay, see here. In the starting he is having 170. From that he bought a book for rupees 113.50. So how we will solve this example? The money left with me is equal to 170 minus 130.50, because left word is there. So here we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. 170 rupees 170 minus rupees 113.50. Now start from the right side. Here 0 and 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now here 0 minus 5. Can we do 0 minus 5? No, we can't do 0 minus 5. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 5. So what we will do? Just we have to cut this 0 and write here as it is. Then we'll move to the next. Okay, but here also 0 is there. So again we'll move to the next neighbor. Here 7 is there. So we will take one borrow from this neighbor. So here 7 minus 1, 6 will remain. So cut this 7 and write here 6. Then this 0 will become 10. Now we will take one borrow from this 10. Okay, so take one borrow. 10 minus 1, 9. Here 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. After 5, count your fingers till 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, so here we will write 5. Then see students, here dot is there. So one below the other we have to give a dot. Okay, see exactly one below the other dot should be there. Now we'll move to the next place. Here ones place in the rupees. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Then see the tens place column in the rupees. Here 6 is there, here 1 is there. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, so we'll write here 5 and 1 minus 1, 0. So no need to write here 0. So what is the answer? 56.50. So here we'll write the answer. The money left with him is equal to rupees 56.50. In this way we can solve this first example. Clear this? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. See the question number 2. Geeta's mother took a rupees 500 note to pay the school fees. See what is the sentence? Geeta's mother took a rupees 500 note to pay the school fees. Geeta's fee was rupees 265.50. How much money is left with Geeta's mother? See, how will you solve this? See the sentence, read the question carefully. Geeta's mother took a rupees 500 note to pay the school fees. See, Initially she was having rupees 500, and from that 500 she has to pay the school fees rupees 265.50. Then afterwards, how much money is left with Geeta's mother? So how will you solve this? Yes, see these two figures, amount series, here rupees 500, and here from that 500 she has to pay 265.50 paise. Okay, then how much money is left with Geeta's mother? This is our question. So here we write the money left with Geeta's mother is equal to, how will you solve? Yes, rupees 500 minus rupees 265.50. Okay, now we'll do the subtraction here. Rupees 500 minus rupees 265.50. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, now here see 0 minus 5, again 0 minus 5 we can't do. Okay, so what we will do, just we will cut this 0 and write as it is. Then we will move to the neighbor. This neighbor is also having 0, so again we will move to the next neighbor. Here also 0 is there, so again we will move to the next place. Here this neighbor is having 5, so we will take one borrow from this 5. So 5 minus 1, here 4 will remain, and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take one borrow, so this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now again from this 10 we have to take one borrow. Okay, so this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. Yes, after 5 count your fingers till 10. 10 minus 5. Yes, 10 minus 5. 5, correct. You have to count your fingers. Then see here dots are there, so we will also give a dot. The dot should be one below the other. Okay, then see the ones place column in the rupees. Here 9 and here 5 is there, so 9 minus 5. Yes, 9 minus 5, correct, 4. So we'll write here 4. Okay, then we'll move to the next place. See here 9 is there and here 6 is there, so 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Yes, after 6 count your fingers till 9. 9 minus 6, correct, 3. So we'll write here 3. Then see the hundreds place column in the rupees. Here 4 is there, here 2 is there. 4 minus 2, 2. So how much money is left with Geeta's mother? Rupees 234.50 rupees left with Geeta's mother. Clear? See, initially Geeta's mother, she was having 500 rupees note. Okay, and from that 500 she has to pay rupees 265.50. And the question was how much money is left with Geeta's mother. So for that what we have to do, from 500 if we will subtract 265.50, then we'll get the money which is left with Geeta's mother. So here after subtraction we got the answer, that is 234.50 rupees left with Geeta's mother. Okay, clear this? Okay. Now we'll move to the third one. Read the question. Third question. Kamini has to buy a geometry box for rupees 49.90 and a pen for rupees 24.60. How much money does she need? Now see, read the question carefully. What is the question? Kamini has to buy two things. She has to buy one geometry box and the cost of geometry box was rupees 49.90. Okay, and also she has to buy a pen for rupees 24.60. And the question is, how much money does she need? Okay, so here students, what you are going to do? Here we have to do the addition, because the question is how much money does she need to buy both the things. Okay, so for that we have to do here addition. Okay, so how will you do here addition? 49, the cost of geometry box. What is the cost of geometry box? Rupees 49.90. Okay, and then the cost of pen. Cost of a pen is equal to rupees 24.60. and the question is how much money does she need? So here we'll write, so she need rupees 49.90 plus rupees 24.60. Okay, so here we have to do the addition. So let us do the addition. Rupees 49.90 plus rupees 24.60. Now do the addition. 0 plus 0. See here, from the right side only we have to do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. Then see this column, here 9 is there, here 6 is there. So 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, yes, after 9 you have to count your 6 fingers. 9 plus 6, 15. So here we will write 5 and 1 as a carry to the next place. But before that here dots are there, so we have to give a dot in the answer also. Okay, next here in the ones place column, in the rupees 1 plus 9 plus 4, here 3 digits you can see here. Okay, so first of all you have to do the addition of these two figures. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. Then in that again you have to add 4. 10 plus 4, 14. So we'll write here 4 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then see the next column, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So here we'll write 7. So the answer is 74.50. So she need, how much money she need? Rupees 74.50 rupees she need to buy a geometry box and a pen. Okay, clear? In this way you can solve this third example. Now see the next example, that is fourth one. After spending rupees 230.75 on a shirt, Ram had rupees 29.25 left with him. How much money did he have at first? See here, what is the question? After spending rupees 230.75 on a shirt, Ram had 29.25 paise left with him. How much money did he have at first? Means initially how much money did he have? This is our question. See here, first of all he spent rupees 230.75 on a shirt. After that he had 29.25 paise left with Ram. Okay, so the question is how much money did he have at first? So what you are going to do here? Here we have to do the addition, because after spending 230.75 he had 29.25 paise. Okay, the money left with Ram, that is 29.25 after spending 230.75, and the question is how much money did he have at first? So here we have to do the addition. Okay, so do the addition, that is 230.75 plus 29.25, then we will get the money with Ram. Okay, so do the addition. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 0, so we'll write, sorry, 5 plus 5 10, so here we'll write 0 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, again 10, so here again we'll write 0 and 1 as a carry. See students, here dots are there, so here also we will give dot. Then see here 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 9 10, so again here we'll write 0 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Okay, now see the next column. Here 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 4, then 4 plus 2, yes 6. Okay, and here only 2 is there, so this 2 will remain as it is. So what is the answer? Yes, at first Ram have 260 rupees. From that 260 he spent rupees 230.75 on a shirt. Then after that the money left with Ram is 29.25. Okay, clear? So how much money did he have at first? At first he have rupees 260. From that 260, this 230.75 spent on shirt, and then after that the money left with Ram is 29.25. So here we have to do the addition to find out how much money did he have at first. So here after addition we got the answer, that is 260 rupees he was having at first. Okay, clear? Okay. Now see the next example, fifth number. Bala had rupees 15.25. His mother gave him rupees 25.75. And the question is how much money does he have now? See, initially he had rupees 15.25. Again his mother gave him rupees 25.75, and the question is how much money does he have now? Means again here what you are going to do? Here also we have to do the addition. We have to find out the total amount which is having, okay, which is Bala is having. So here we do the addition. Rupees 15.25 plus rupees 25.75. So here we have to do the addition. Do the addition. 5 plus 5, yes, 5 plus 5. After 5 count your 5 fingers. 5 plus 5 10. So what you will write here? 0 and 1 as carry to the next place. Then say the next column. Here 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. Then 3 plus 7 10. Correct. So here again we'll write 0 and 1 as a carry. Now here we have to give a dot. Okay, now see this column here, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11. So here we'll write 1 and 1 will give as a carry. Then see the next column, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Then again in that we have to add 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So how will you write the answer here? So he have, so rupees 41. Okay, so Baba have rupees 41. In this way you can solve this example, because here initially he was having 15.25. okay, and again his mother gave him rupees 25.75, and the question was we have to find out the total amount which is having with him. So here we have to do the addition. After addition, here we got the answer rupees 41. So here we will write the answer. So Baba have rupees 41. Clear? Now students, see the next question. Read the question carefully. Add rupees 48.60 to rupees 17.80 and subtract the sum from rupees 100. See the question carefully. What is the question? Add rupees 48.60 to rupees 70.80. Means first we have to add these two amount, that is 48.60 to rupees 17.80. So here we'll write 48.60 plus rupees 17.80. okay, then after addition whatever answer we will get, that sum we have to subtract from the 100. That sum we have to subtract from the 100. So here we'll write, okay, after sum we will do the subtraction. First we will do the addition. Okay, so let us do the addition. Rupees 48.60 plus rupees 17.80. okay, now see here, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0. okay, then 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, after 6 count your 8 fingers. Yes, 6 plus 8, 14. So here we'll write 4 and 1 as a carry. See students, here dots are there, so here also we will give a dot. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 7. Yes, 9 plus 7. Count your fingers after 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So here we'll write 6 and 1 as a carry. Okay, then 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? 66.40. Here we got the sum 66.40. okay, after addition. See here 48.60. what was the question? Add 48.60 to rupees 17.80. okay, and subtract the sum from rupees 100. Now here we got the sum rupees 66.40. This sum we have to subtract from the 100. So here we do the subtraction. From 100 we have to subtract the sum. Okay, what we got the sum here? Rupees 66.40. So let us do the subtraction. 66.40. 0 minus 0, 0. Now see here, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4. Can we do 0 minus 4? No. Then what we will do? Just we will cut this 0 and write as it is. Okay. Then we will move to the neighbor. Now this neighbor is having 0. Again we will move to the next neighbor. He is also having 0. So again we will move to the next. Here he is having 1. So we will take 1, borrow from the 1. So here 0 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take 1 borrow. Okay. So 10 minus 1, here 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Again from this 10 we have to take 1 borrow. Okay. So 10 minus 1, here also 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now easily you can do the subtraction here. 10 minus 4. Yes, 10 minus 4. After 4, count your 4 fingers. 6. Correct. So here we will write 6. Then here dots are there. So we will give dot. Okay. Now here 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Yes. 3. So here we will write 3. Then again here also 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. 3. Here 0 is there, so no need to write here 0. So what is the answer? 33.16. See here, after addition we got the sum, that is 66.40, and see this sum we have to subtract from the 100. So after subtraction here we got the final answer, that is rupees 33.60. This is your answer. Okay. So here at the end you will write the answer in this way. Answer rupees 33.60. This will be your answer. Okay. Understood? Clear? Okay. Then we will move to the next example. Next example, same example it is. Add rupees 36.25 to rupees 27.80 and subtract the sum from the 100 rupees. Okay, same like sixth example we have to solve this. See here, add rupees 36.25 to 27.80. So first of all we will do the addition of rupees 36.25 plus rupees 27.80. Okay, and whatever answer we will get, that we have to subtract from the 100. So let us do the addition. Rupees 36.25 plus rupees 27.80. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. Then 2 plus 8. Yes, 2 plus 8, 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 as a carry. Now here dots are there. So here also we will give dot. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So write here 4 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the answer? Here we got, what sum we got here? Rupees 64.5. Now this sum we have to subtract from the 100. So here we will do the subtraction from 100. We have to subtract rupees for 64.5 paise. Okay. So let us do the subtraction. See here, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 we can't do. So cut this 0 and write as it is. Then we will move to the neighbor. He is having 0. Again we will move to the next neighbor. Here also 0 is there. So again go to the next. Here also 0 is there. So here from this place we will take 1 borrow. So cut this 1. 1 minus 1, here 0. And this 0 will become 10. Now take 1 borrow from this 10. So here 10 minus 1, here 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. 10. Again from this 10 we have to take one borrow. So 10 minus 1, again here 9, and this 0 will become 10. Again in that 10 we have to take one more borrow. So 10 minus 1, 9, and this 0 will become 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Then 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, 9. Here dot is there, so we'll give dot. Okay. Then go to the next place. Here 9 is there, here 4 is there. So 9 minus 4. After 4, count your fingers till 9. 9 minus 4, 5. So write here 5. Next here 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. After 6, count your fingers till 9. 9 minus 6, 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 35.95. So here finally you have to write the answer, that is rupees 35.95. See, what was our question? First we have to do the addition of 36.25 and rupees 27.80. After addition, here we got the sum. Sum is total addition. What sum we got here? Rupees 64.5. This sum we have to subtract from the 100. So here we have done the subtraction. From 100 we have subtracted 64.5. After subtraction, here we got the answer 35.95. So in this way you have to solve this example. So students, today we have seen the exercise 3.5, that is story sums. Okay, so remaining story sums try to solve by your own. In the next session we are going to see how to do the multiplication of money. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.